Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 14. The document given to the buyer by the seller to acknowledge payments for goods is called A. Debit note, B. Invoice, C. Pro forma invoice, D. Receipt, E. Statement of account. So what we are looking at here is a document given by a buyer to acknowledge payment of goods. So let's look at what each of the options stand for. Now, debit note is a document issued by a buyer to a seller as a means of requesting a credit note. Now, an invoice is a document that itemizes and records a transaction. Option C, which is pro forma invoice, is a bill or a preliminary bill of sale sent to buyers in advance of a shipment or delivery of goods. A receipt is a document that acknowledges that payment has been received for goods or services. And lastly, a statement of account is a detailed report of the content of an account. So from the explanation or definitions we have given, we see that receipt is the document which acknowledges payment for goods. So the correct answer to this question is D, receipt. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.